Hey everyone, it's Bree. I'm super excited to share this unboxing with y'all today. I am going to be showing y'all the July 2021 Hip Kit Club kits. I have all of them. They are amazing. They are all exclusive products other than the color kit and obviously the cardstock kit. The exclusive collection this month is called Flourish, and it is designed by both Kim Watson and Kimberly Hutchison. So I'm just going to show you the papers pretty quickly. This collection to me is very boho vibes, like super trendy. Like it reminds me of like the Opal House brand at Target. Like it just makes me so happy. Okay, so here is the first one. This one is Promise. I will kind of go through the papers because they're all exclusive just real quick. So that's the A side. This is the B side. Here is Wanderer, and hopefully you can see the papers. Okay, let me see if I can pull you up just a bit. Sorry if that's shaky. Just trying to get all the papers in frame. Okay, so this is Wanderer. That's the A side. This is the B side. Like super gorgeous. There's coral. There's orange. Like very summer, kind of like Indian summer colors, I guess you could say too. I love it. Look at this. Oh, absolutely beautiful. It looks like mixed media background's already ready for you. This is True Essence. This one's Freedom. Look how colorful. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Then of course you have florals. You can totally fussy cut these out. There's the back. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to play with this, with all of these kits. Like I cannot wait to start creating. This one is called Bohemian, and it's got this lovely wood grain paper on the back. Now I'll just stick this here because I've got like my lights showing, so I'll try to minimize the glare. Okay, so here are the exclusive ephemera that come in the main. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is the main kit. Here are all the exclusive ephemera pieces that you get. We also get acetate mandalas. I'm sorry if you can hear my doggy. Oh, so we also get, we get black and white, and then we get I believe white, and then we get rainbow ones. Or not black and white. No, wait. Oh, that's navy. I'm so sorry. So that's navy, white, and rainbow. So pretty. We get these border strips. And since some of them are upside down, oops, just show them to you real quick. Really pretty. I can see lots of layering, stacking these, running them through your sewing machine. So absolutely gorgeous. So if you don't have border punches and you want to do, like, you know, a lot of people right now have just been layering a bunch of border strips that people have, you know, either punched or like even branding strips. These are perfect. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I'm still getting over my my sickies, my summer sickies. Okay, so here are some puffy titles. And they're awesome. They're large, and lots of good ones in here. And then some exclusive puffy alphas with some white accents. And this really pretty pink. Okay, so that is the main kit. I guess I could just leave the paper there. Here is the Pocket Life kit. So we get these chipboard mini frames and bits. Lots of fun, and you can punch out the inside pieces of here, make little shakers. So fun. Here are some puffy stickers, exclusive, and I think this was stuck together, so I got two, which I'm not sad about. So I got two. These here are the puffy stickers. Rainbows, the dream catchers, so pretty. We also get, one of my favorite things whenever we do get exclusives are these chipboard mini phrases. There's so many. They're perfect for layering and tucking and just great phrases. Here are some mini puffy, oh my gosh, ooh, mini puffy alphas in orange. That's a fun font. We get chipboard embellishments. These are circles. There's larger pieces and then smaller ones. And then we also get these die cut ephemeras. And they're like, it looks like journaling tags or like travel tags. Yeah, so they're like, look like little baggage tickets. So London, Sydney, Rio, so lots of different places. Shanghai, Paris, Vegas, lots of tags, lots of, oh, so much fun. How fun would this be Barcelona, Portland, excuse me, to make like a little mini album with these. These are so fun. They look like little, like, you know, like old school, like vintage tickets. And it looks like there was, I love these. These are, oh my God, these are my favorite. I love them. Okay, so here are the Pocket Life cards, and I'll just lay these out as quick as I can so this video is not too crazy long, but that way you guys get a look at everything. And then, excuse me, wow, I'm so sorry. Okay, so those are like a basket weave print. This says summer. Look at how fun that is. Vacation Beach Club, Summer Memories. Here's more of that basket weave. Sunshine, just really pretty floral. Stripes. Adventure. Some phrase cards. Wild Ride. And then of course there are in different sizes. So even if you aren't a pocket scrapbooker like myself, I like to use these as matting pieces. I also like to make mini albums with them. I also like to fussy cut. They're perfect for your planner if you're like traveler's notebooks. Look how pretty this is. Oh yeah, so you don't have to be a pocket scrapbooker to get this kit. There's so many different uses for these cards, and they're absolutely stunning. So okay, so this was the Pocket Life kit. Oh, it did say luggage tags. Okay, I just didn't see that in the beginning. Let me quickly pick these up so I don't lose them because I want them all. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so here is the embellishment kit. And more exclusives. These are butterfly die cuts, and I believe they're stickers. Look how gorgeous they are. Oh, I'm so excited. Here are some chipboard frames, and these totally look like a lot of people. You know how they have like the little baskets, or like, I don't know how to explain them, but they hang them differently around their wall. And this is so fun, like just to even put this on your entire layout just like that, and have photos, shakers, like embellishments, like layer those up. And then you also get the inside pieces that you could also create like backgrounds with, or just layer, like, you know, you can add stuff on top. So much fun. I love these clear mixed media stickers. These are perfect for those of us that don't want to get messy, or you're just looking for little layering pieces on top of some white cardstock. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, here is something I'm super excited about. This is called Build a Bloom Pack. So you get some cardstock, pattern paper, flowers or floral pieces, and then you also get some of these fabric pieces, and then some chipboard buttons. So you could totally make these. Look how pretty these are. So many possibilities. Oh my gosh, these kits, they just spoil us. They are jam-packed with so much product. It's so crazy. Okay, so we also get, and this is the last thing on the embellishment kit. This is the wood veneer embellishments. Look how fun this is. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, so that's it. The paper kit is basically the same. I don't think there are any different ones, so I won't go through that. But here is the cardstock kit. So we get turquoise mist, jet stream, of course, white, this navy blue, Pinkini Stream Mango, and Lemonade. So we get lots of gorgeous colors that match the kit, or the kits so nicely. And then we have the color kit. So we get this clear stamp by Prima and Finnabair, and it is the, what is it called? Is it rattan? No. I know there's a name, and I can't, is it not on the front? I guess it's not on the front. I don't remember what this is called, but I know there's a name for it. But anyway, so yeah, it's like this basket weave pattern, and that's gonna be super fun to stamp up, to even emboss with, or to, to heat emboss with, and then like create a resist. Okay, so we also get shimmers in creamies in Berry Hot, and an Inklings in Sun Kissed. So it's super pretty orange and this really pretty pink. And with the Inklings and creamies, they are dry paint pots, and you just add water to activate them. See, super pretty. So Inklings are very, very shimmery, and has like the satin finish. And the creamies also has shimmer in it. But yeah, So, okay, those are the 2 paint pots. And then we also get a Vibes in Jenny B Blue, and it's this really, really pretty blue aqua-y color. And that's it. So that is that it? Yeah. Those are the July 2021 kits. I will have a link, excuse me, in the description box below. So if you hadn't had a chance to pick up these gorgeous kits, you can do so. Lots of exclusives, so many great products. I mean, you saw how jam-packed each of these kits are. And yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get creating. But yeah, I hope you guys have had a wonderful weekend. I am off to get creative, and I hope you guys are too. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.